I'm sure this isn't the first video about F-150 door drains that has been made, but I'm going to do one since I run across them every now and then. These are your door drains on these 15 and up F-150s. Look how small. This is a small screwdriver. This is my hand. I do have big hands, but I mean, come on. All right, so see how small this drain is? You see how it's stuck right there. All right, so that's not much room for that water to leak out. You can see there's water there, and I just tested it, and it is draining, but it doesn't drain much. All right, same with over here. All right, all four doors have these. So there's not much you can do with them. Whoever owned this truck previously, this is a used vehicle, already pulled this plug out, and it's got to, these have to be stopped up, and it has to build up to here before that's gonna leak anything. So it's not really supposed to have that much water in. So it's a simple fix. There's not much you can do unless you really are wanting to really just cut this hole out bigger, which you could. It'll just look like crap. I just take a screwdriver that's about as big as the hole, right? Pry it up a little bit, and then sideways, and look, now it goes all the way up in there. It was only going up in about that much before. Now it goes. So can that still get stopped up? Sure. It's not as likely though. So I'm going to do it to both of them. You got to use a short one too, because right here there's not much clearance. So anyway, press up, and then sideways. You can't get that one as good, but you know, look at that, all up in, it's up in there. So that's way better. So you don't want to bend too much, because you don't want to bend this down, but it'll take a good little bit of pressure. They're pretty thick. So there you go. You got leaking door drains. That's the way you can clean them out. The other thing you can do is, if there's a bunch of leaf crap and everything in here, you can take like a wire tie and run it up in there and pour water down by the door. I've got a video on how to water test it, so I'll link that. I'll show you how to water test it, but the short of it is you take a knife or a plastic tool or something, put it right there, just pour water down in there, and that'll test it. That'll tell you if your door drains are leaking or not. So there you go. That's how you clean out your door drains on an F-150 or 250 or 350 or Expedition or whatever. Questions, comments, let me know.